In today's video, I will show you how to get TradingView Premium for free. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for TradingView. Click on the first link that says TradingView Track All Markets. Now, click on Get Started for free. Scroll down and you will see different plans offering free premium trials for 30 days. Click on Try Free for 30 days on any plan of your choice. Then sign up with your details and you'll be able to use TradingView Premium for free for 30 days. Let's move on to the second method to use TradingView Premium for free. Open your browser and search Blackwall Market TradingView. Scroll down until you see Free TradingView Premium, Plage, No Minimum Deposit, and click on this. Scroll down and click on Join Now. Sign up with an option of your choice. I will use my Google account here. Enter all your required details and then click on Register. You will then see an interface like this. Click on Trading Platforms in the left corner of your screen. Here you can see TradingView. Simply click on the download link and the website of TradingView will open. Now you will be able to get TradingView Premium for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!